When massive objects need to be moved, ordinary methods simply won't cut it. From towering trees and historic homes to colossal industrial equipment, these incredible transports combine cutting-edge technology, precise engineering, and sheer determination. Let's dive in and witness some of the most extreme and awe-inspiring relocations ever attempted. Moving a huge house. In May 2022, Wolf House and Building Movers accomplished an extraordinary task, relocating a massive two-story frame house, including a garage and brick veneer, to prevent its demolition. The structure weighed an incredible 280 metric tons and measured 17 meters wide by 28 meters long, presenting a complex logistical challenge that required precise planning and execution. The operation began with the structure descending a steep slope, a phase requiring expert control to maintain stability. The journey continued with a demanding ascent up an even steeper incline to its new location, pushing the boundaries of modern moving technology. Adding to the complexity was a sharp 90-degree turn at the base of the hill, which had to be navigated before the house could be positioned accurately on its new foundation. To overcome these challenges, Wolf used the Buckingham Power Dolly system with Smart Steer technology, an advanced system that enabled precise maneuverability. This cutting-edge equipment allowed the structure to navigate the sharp corner with accuracy and ensured it was placed perfectly on its new footers. This incredible relocation showcased the capability of advanced engineering and technology to preserve significant structures, preventing them from being lost to demolition. Moving a 100-year-old Compton oak. The Girardi Compton oak, a towering symbol of League City's history for over a century, faced an uncertain future due to a county road widening project. Measuring 17 meters tall, with a sprawling canopy spanning 30 meters and a trunk circumference of 3.4 meters, this magnificent tree weighed an astonishing 235 metric tons. To save it, a monumental effort was undertaken. Hess Landscaping Construction was entrusted with relocating the massive oak to a safer location within the city. Using specialized equipment and detailed planning, the team embarked on the complex task, carefully preserving the tree's extensive root system while minimizing risks. Over nearly a month, the oak was meticulously excavated, prepared for transport, and moved to its new location. The operation demanded precision and expertise to handle a living organism of such immense size and weight, ensuring its survival throughout the process. The successful relocation of the Girardi Compton oak not only preserved a cherished piece of local history, but also demonstrated the engineering and planning required to safeguard natural landmarks of this scale. Super ODC Freight. Transporting the massive DE fractionator column was a remarkable achievement by NTC Logistics, demonstrating expertise in handling super overdimensional cargo. Measuring 45 meters in length, 5 meters in width, and 4.5 meters in height, the column required two 8-axle hydraulic modular trailers connected by a 15-meter intermediate frame for safe transit. The 1,500-kilometer journey from Raipur at Jindal Steel and Power Limited to HRRL Pachpadra in Rajasthan was fraught with challenges. Sharp turns required route modifications, while oversized dimensions necessitated the removal of signboards and strategic navigation through roundabouts and opposite lanes. More significant obstacles included coordinating two railway shutdowns using a three-way traction system and excavating an underpass in Madhya Pradesh's Kawasagat section to overcome low vertical clearance. Wind turbine mast. The transport of a colossal wind turbine mast was a testament to precise planning and expert execution. Measuring 48 meters in length, 5 meters in diameter, and weighing an impressive 78 tons, this massive structure was moved from Molinos to Saisi using a Nutbum MWT trailer operated by SDX Transport. The journey, spanning 2.5 days, required exceptional coordination to navigate the challenges posed by the mass size and weight. The Nutbum MWT trailer, designed for oversized and heavy loads, ensured stability and maneuverability throughout the transport. The route demanded meticulous attention to detail, with pilot vehicles and guide motorcycles clearing the way and managing tight turns, narrow passages, and potential road obstructions. Every aspect of the operation, from the trailer's adaptability to the route's complexity, showcased the advanced techniques required for such a demanding transport. This effort highlights the role of specialized equipment and careful coordination in moving oversized infrastructure components critical to renewable energy projects. Transformer through Wilhelmshaven. In one of the largest transports ever conducted by SAFD, a 490-ton transformer was moved from the Lüneburg harbor starting at 8 p.m. Combined with the transport rig, the total weight reached an incredible 870 tons. The massive convoy stretched nearly 100 meters in length, utilizing specialized equipment designed to handle up to 20 tons per axle. This intricate operation showcased the precision required for moving such a colossal load. One of the critical challenges was ensuring proper balance during the journey. To prevent overloading on either side, constant left-right adjustments were made, particularly while crossing bridges. The system also allowed for raising or lowering the transport as needed to navigate obstacles, such as steep inclines on highway overpasses or uneven terrain. Throughout the transport, every detail was carefully managed, from obstacle clearance to route planning, with innovative solutions applied to overcome technical challenges. Support was seamless, with expert advice and equipment operating flawlessly, ensuring the operation's success. This transport highlighted not only the engineering marvel behind such moves, but also the teamwork and precision necessary to handle one of the heaviest and longest loads on the road. Converter tank from Turkey to US. Herkut completed the complex transport of a massive converter tank, split into two sections, each towering at 10 meters high and 8 meters in diameter. Although the distance to the loading point was relatively short, the sheer size of the cargo created unique challenges that demanded careful planning and precision. The operation required raising power lines along the route to accommodate the towering dimensions of the tanks. Navigating confined spaces, such as narrow overpasses, added another layer of difficulty, with every maneuver executed to avoid potential hazards. The transport showcased the expertise and advanced techniques needed to move such oversized and heavy cargo through tight urban and industrial areas. Once the tanks reached the port, they were loaded onto the deck of a cargo vessel using a ship crane. This marked the beginning of their transcontinental journey to America, where they will play a key role in an industrial project. Herkut's handling of this transport highlights the company's ability to manage large-scale logistical challenges with efficiency and precision. Relocating King Kong. The relocation of a colossal 30-ton King Kong toy required precise engineering and heavy-duty equipment. The process began with dismantling the massive structure using a 500-ton capacity Liebherr LTM 1500 crane, designed for handling large and heavy loads with exceptional precision. Once disassembled, the components were carefully loaded onto a 10-axle Goldhofer THBSLE trailer. This specialized transport system provided the stability and maneuverability needed to safely move the oversized pieces to their new destination. Navigating the transport route required meticulous planning to accommodate the size and weight of the cargo. Upon reaching the new location, the same 500-ton Liebherr LTM 1500 crane was employed once again. The crane's lifting power and precision ensured the components were reassembled and installed into their final position seamlessly. This impressive operation highlighted the coordination, expertise, and advanced equipment necessary to relocate and reinstall such an enormous and intricate structure with absolute accuracy. Transporting 4 600-ton units. The transportation of 8 massive cargo units, 4 weighing 600 tons each, and another 4 at 135 tons each, spanned an impressive 1,250 kilometers from Turkmenbashi port to Yolatan. This complex operation required extraordinary logistical planning and engineering solutions to ensure the safe and efficient delivery of these oversized loads. The journey presented significant challenges, including the need to cross 74 bridges along the route. For 56 of these, bypass constructions were implemented to accommodate the weight and size of the cargo, ensuring the bridges were not compromised. An additional 18 bridges were traversed using specially constructed panel bridges, which provided temporary reinforcement to support the heavy loads. This massive undertaking demonstrated the critical role of innovative infrastructure adaptations and precise transport execution in navigating such demanding conditions. The successful completion of this transport highlighted the expertise and advanced capabilities required to handle large-scale, high-stakes logistics over long distances. Transporting 10 320-ton engines. The transportation of 10 320 metric ton diesel engines for a new power plant in Lebanon showcased a feat of engineering and logistics. Each engine, a powerful MAN 18V 4860 model, is designed for high efficiency and performance, with dimensions and weight that demanded meticulous planning and specialized equipment. The engines were moved from their point of origin to the power plant site using heavy-duty transport solutions. Their massive weight and size required the use of multi-axle hydraulic trailers, capable of distributing the load evenly to prevent damage to infrastructure along the route. Given the challenges of the terrain and the oversized nature of the cargo, the operation also involved careful route planning, including navigating tight corners, steep inclines, and narrow roads. This transport operation was critical to the construction of the power plant, which will play a significant role in meeting Lebanon's energy demands. The success of the delivery underscored the expertise and advanced technology needed to manage the logistics of moving such enormous and vital equipment across challenging distances. Multi-ton refinery equipment. In 2013, Altius successfully managed the transportation of over 60,500 freight units of heavy, oversized, and conventional cargo for the upgrade and modernization of the treacherous refinery in Izmit, Turkey. This large-scale project involved shipments originating from Spain, Korea, UAE, Malaysia, and the USA, showcasing a complex logistical operation that spanned continents. The operation began with the land transport of cargo from manufacturing workshops to various loading ports. From there, the cargo was shipped by sea to the port of Derince in Turkey. Once in Turkey, the cargo was moved by land to the refinery site in Izmit. For the final phase, the equipment was transported to its designated foundations for hoisting, installation, and assembly. A standout challenge was the handling of 5 massive pieces of equipment, each measuring up to 65 meters in length and weighing up to 590 tons. These were transported using barges and advanced RORO, roll-on/roll-off, operations. Specialized trailers and self-propelled modular transporters, SPMTs, ensured the safe movement of these oversized loads. Thanks to precise planning and execution, even the heaviest and largest pieces were successfully transported and installed within a single day, underscoring the efficiency and expertise required for such a monumental project. SpaceX Falcon 9 Booster. The arrival of SpaceX Falcon 9 Booster 1023 marks a historic addition to the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. Officially known as Booster 1023, this iconic piece of aerospace engineering played a vital role in 2 groundbreaking missions, a Falcon 9 mission and a Falcon Heavy mission, making it a space-flown artifact of human innovation and exploration. Now retired, the booster has been transported to its new home inside the Gateway, the Deep Space Launch Complex. This state-of-the-art attraction, which opened in March 2022, celebrates the achievements of space exploration and showcases real hardware used in the pursuit of reaching beyond our planet. Booster 1023's journey to the Kennedy Space Center involved meticulous planning to preserve its condition. Once installed, it became a centerpiece, allowing visitors to get up close to a critical component of modern spaceflight technology. This booster stands as a testament to SpaceX's revolutionary approach to reusable rockets, a cornerstone of their effort to make space more accessible. As part of the Gateway exhibit, the booster not only represents engineering excellence but also inspires future generations to reach for the stars, embodying the spirit of exploration and innovation that drives space exploration forward. The feats you've just seen are only the beginning of what's possible when innovation meets determination. Across the globe, teams are tackling even more ambitious challenges, using groundbreaking equipment to move the seemingly unmovable. Stay tuned, because the world of extreme machines and daring operations has no shortage of jaw-dropping stories waiting to be uncovered.